need your unwavering trust to be the bridge that connects us, officers and citizens, in an unbreakable bond. We celebrate not just the end of the year, but the triumph of a spirit, and that is the spirit of Lang'ata. To my fellow officers, let me start by saluting your unwavering dedication. You stand on the thin blue line, not just between order and chaos, but between fear and hope. In 2024, we won't just fight crime. We'll smoother its very embers. We'll focus on prevention, nipping criminals' intent in the bud, and making our streets not just safe, but sterile to the seeds of lawlessness.
To just appreciate the work that the officers are doing for us, ndani ya CDF we have allocated 26 million shillings to renovate and make new houses for our officers wale wanaishi pale kwetu kwa sub-county. Now most of the time we forget that our officers also live with us here in Lang'ata. And this time we've allocated 1,000 bursary forms for our officers within Lang'ata.
Na leo tuko hapa kwa sababu ya sherehe za mwaka mpya za maafisa wetu wa polisi kutoka hapa Lang'ata, na tumekuwa tukifanya kazi kwa ukaribu sana na polisi.
I want to tell you for sure kwamba kazi ya polisi si rahisi. It's never easy, and it has never been easy. With the accrued number of experience in terms of years that have been a police officer,
hakikisha ya kwamba you are conscious of the security needs of your neighbors na hata wewe mwenyewe.
The Bible says